Think surgery, think stitches and staples. While tape is used in some cases outside the body, researchers say there has to be a better way, especially inside the body.
There's a great need for a tape-based medical adhesive that can either augment or replace standard sutures or staples.
Enter this guy, a gecko with feet that let him walk up walls.
We look at this more of a gecko-inspired adhesive than a gecko-mimicking adhesive.
What's inspiring researcher Jeff Karp are nanoscale pillars in gecko feet that provide a tighter connection between the feet and a wall. So tight that on a molecular level, there's a sort of magnetic attraction. As they wrote in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the researchers made a surgical tape by fabricating similar tiny pillars that mechanically held to tissue. For more holding power, they added a glue.
We had to go beyond the mechanisms that the gecko uses to attach and add this thin layer of a biodegradable glue to the surface.
What they wanted was a tape that could stick to wet tissue inside someone.
We have tested this against intestinal tissue in the laboratory, and we've maximized the adhesion through playing with the various nanoscale features of these pillars.
It's scientific use of this guy's tacky little secret that may someday make surgical stitches a thing of the past. I'm Brad Closa.